There's an extra RAM spec that I know a lot of yins are sleeping on. Memory kits usually have a few different sets of numbers associated with them. There's the capacity, transfer rate, and something called CAS latency. You'll usually see that last one shortened to C or CL followed by a number, and what it's referring to is the number of cycles it takes for the processor to ask for data from the memory and return it. In general, a lower number here is better, and if you do some digging, you might notice that DDR4 actually averages pretty substantially lower CAS latencies than DDR5. While that might seem strange, the higher clock speeds associated with DDR5 typically outweigh the slower CL number and still give better performance regardless. CAS latency is usually also bundled together with 3 other numbers separated by dashes, and they all mean different things, which is a topic for a whole other video. But just know that having that number be lower isn't typically going to mean higher FPS for gaming, but instead, if you're doing things like rendering videos, the lower latency can actually decrease the export times and help with other RAM-intensive activities like running virtual machines or 3D modeling.